I got a 2011 GMC Sierra, 5.3 liter. And here, last couple of months, I've been noticing it's running rough. You sit at idle, and it just kind of, it don't shake bad, but it's enough to be noticed. And I tried a bottle of Chevron Techron after a couple of months of putting up with that shit. But anyway, I had a half a tank of fuel, poured the bottle of Chevron Techron in, and I've been running it for 3 or 4 days now, and it is, it just absolutely took care of it. The tachometer is just as still as can be. Just idling smooth as glass. So, kudos to that shit. You know, I didn't think it'd make any difference, but in this particular vehicle it did. So, I hear a lot of people talking about after they put the Chevron Techron in their tank, the car starts idling rough and shit. I don't know about all that, but it worked for me, so that's why I'm posting this video. So, now, what else?